How to create post on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to create a post on Facebook, first of all launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As I logged into your account, here you can see the option of what's on your mind over here at the top. So simply select on it. Now if you want to post something, you can just tap on the message over here on what's on your mind, or if you want to post some sort of picture, you can simply tap on the option of picture over here. So as you do that, you can just select any random picture or videos over here. So let me select a picture. As we scroll, I'm going to select a random picture over here to get it uploaded over here. You can also select videos for your post over here. So I'm going to select a random one. And as you do that, you can just tap, or you can add any sort of captions and then tap on post, and that's how you can post or create a post on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.